Hello, Pharma friends. Welcome to Pharma Syndrome YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss regarding the opioids classification with easy tricks and as well as mnemonics. Hopefully, you are already following our Pharma Syndrome YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and share to your friends. So enter into the classification of opioids. As you know already, opioids are the drugs mainly known as analgesics. They use it to relieve the pain, and especially these drugs acts by binding to the opioid receptors like mu, K, delta receptors. All three opioid receptors are belongs to G protein coupled receptor. Especially when opioids binds to this mu, K, delta receptors, they activates one of the G protein, that is G alpha I. Nothing but when opioids binds to these receptors, they activates the G alpha I, one of the G active protein, that is active G protein, that leads to analgesia, reducing pain. So here, regarding the classification, natural category, semi-synthetic category, synthetic, all these three categories are comes under the agonist. So these are acts as a agonist at the opioid receptors, that is mu, K, delta receptors. Okay, all opioid receptors are belongs to the G protein coupled receptors, also known as metabotropic receptors. And here, first natural category. So opioid agonist under the natural category, the mnemonic is MTC pan. So remember like dosa pan. So M means morphine, T means thebaine, C means codeine, P means pepaverine, N means noscapine. N means noscapine. The pepaverine is also having smooth muscle relaxant property. Pepaverine can inhibit phosphodiesterase enzyme 4 on the smooth muscle. Okay. And next, semi-synthetic category. The mnemonic is hip hop. Nothing but hip hop. Like example H, hydromorphone, P, falcodine, H, heroin, O, oxymorphone. So these are semi-synthetic category. So these are the semi-synthetic category of drugs. And next, synthetic category drugs. So synthetic category drugs mnemonic is trapped me. Simply trapping. So T means tramadol, R means remifentanil, A means alfentanil, P pethidine, D dextropropoxyphene, M is methadone. So methadone action is equivalent to the buprenorphine, and methadone is a drug of choice for opioid withdrawal symptoms. Okay, the methadone having long duration of action. And mixed acting drugs. So here some list of the drugs are there. These drugs can show action as a agonist, as an antagonist, as a partial agonist also. So that's why because of mixed actions, these drugs are comes under the category of mixed acting drugs. So first example is pentazocine. One is pentazocine, that is antagonist at mu receptor, agonist at the K opioid receptor. Next, buprenorphine, which is a thebaine derivative, weak mu receptor agonist as well as antagonist at the K receptor. And next is a nalorphine, which is a chemically N-allyl morphine. It is an antagonist at mu opioid receptor and agonist at the K opioid receptor, and also can act as a partial agonist at K receptors. And next is the butarphenol. It is a partial agonist at mu opioid receptor, may also acts as an antagonist at mu opioid receptor, and acts as a partial agonist on the K opioid receptors. And next is the antagonist of opioid receptor. So like naloxone, naltrexone, nalmefene, these three drugs are acts as an antagonist at opioid receptors. And especially these drugs are used in the opioid overdose. Opioid overdose condition, these drugs are useful. So this is the classification of opioids with interesting mnemonics as well as tricks. So for more interesting information and updates, follow Pharma Syndrome YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel, and share to your friends. Thank you and all the best.